Okay, guys, it is the time for the trend for the week. It's another beautiful week again, and of course we will be doing this together right here in this video. But before I go fully into it, I would like you guys to know that this video is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family? Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video will be based on higher time frame, so you should be able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame so that you will know how to go about it, because any little pullback on higher time frame can be a total reversal in price action on lower time frame. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So we will be starting with Boom 1000, and of course this time around I will be using 1 hour time frame because I want people to know the exact direction of the market in case they want to start trading right now. As you can see, this started an uptrend right from this support zone, got to this resistance zone, was unable to go above it, and came back here and went back up to break out above the resistance zone, and of course got to this region. It was unable to go above. Okay, let me bring another trend line above this resistance zone, so it's played around there for a while before giving us a downtrend signal, and it so till it got to the support zone. Remember the support zone, I mean the resistance zone around there, it has turned to support zone this time around, so it's had a pullback. Okay, so we are waiting for it to go above this resistance zone. If it goes above it, then it will be trying out this particular resistance zone. If it does not, then it will go back on downtrend. But before it to go back on downtrend, we need to see the signals showing us that it will definitely go back on downtrend. But for now, it is still going on uptrend, even though today within the last 2 hours it has been giving us a bearish candle. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so it is still on uptrend at the moment. Okay, this might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out from that resistance zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. Let's check out Boom 500. Boom 500 actually ranged around there for a while, but at this point it broke out above it to get to a new resistance zone. Okay, see, this is so beautiful, and of course guys, it has gotten to this region, it has not been able to break out above it. Okay, if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. For now it is still on uptrend. This might not be for long also, because it is at a major resistance zone. Okay, so you should take note of that. Okay, the next asset is going to be Crash 1000. Crash 1000 started from here, an uptrend, and got to this region, so it came down. You can see it's respected it around here and respecting it around here also, so it had a pullback. Okay, trying to go back on uptrend, but it has not been able to go above this particular resistance zone. So we're trying to see if it will be able to break out from there this time around. If it does not, it will try out the support zone again to see if it will break out from there. So if it breaks out from here, then definitely it will sell more, but for now it is still buying until it is unable to break out from the resistance zone, then it will come back to the support zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend at the moment. Okay, let's check out Crash 500. This is Crash 500. Crash 500 started an uptrend from here. It was having pullbacks at these levels. Okay, and of course broke out above this in order for us to get to this major resistance zone. So it started a downtrend from there, and it is still very much on downtrend. Okay, so we should expect more of a bearish signal than a bullish signal from there. Okay, even though it has created bullish candles within the last 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, now let's move on to the last asset, which is going to be Volatility 75. Volatility 75 actually started a downtrend right from the resistance zone. At each stage it was having pullbacks in between, a major one at that. Okay, so and of course it got to this region, broke out from this support zone, and of course got to a new support zone, and of course course it has gotten to this new support zone, but if you should notice, it has created a W, and this is the last leg of the W. If it should go above this line, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so we should expect more of an uptrend than a downtrend from there. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight, today. And of course, you guys should make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.